IPconfig.com. In this video I'm going to be making another very basic walkthrough video. It's going to be for Windows 8.1 Professional. Maybe sometimes if you guys want to upgrade, and this video will basically just I'm just gonna talk about the basic stuff just like I did for Server 2012. So when you log in, this will be under Help Desk course. You go to the course and Learning Path, and once you go to Learning Path, you click on the Help Desk Support Specialist. It's going to be on the left side and all the way down, so it's going to go under, which is Basic Operating Systems. I need to take this off. Operating Systems Walkthrough. So I'm going to put this here, Windows 8.1 Pro. So we have basic Server 2012. Now it's going to say Windows 8.1 Pro. Let's just start on it. So this is basically the same way as Windows 7, and you guys see the similarities between the 2012 and Windows 8. Just like Windows 8, Server 2008 came in, the front we were kind of less similar to Windows 7. So it's Microsoft is keeping that trend to kind of match these server and client operating systems. Same stuff in this. As a technician, as a help desk, I mean, I'm not making this video for users. How are they going to be using it? Because most of the users will click here and they will be loving this part. But as a tech, we wouldn't be liking this area because this is not something you're going to be working. Mostly what you're going to be working on is the desktop side. So where I'm more interested, this is going to be just basic stuff for someone to come in and, okay, I want to see 8.1 Pro, how does it look, tell me something about it. So the first thing I really like about Windows, and even in 2012, if you right click on this little Windows sign, it goes to all the basic stuff in one place. Now in the beginning it's a little weird, but once you get used to it, you guys are gonna like it. So now we have two prompts here to make it easy. You don't have to go and right click and do the admin or type admin passwords in there, or log in as admin in command prompt, which is you can do it from here. Once you click on it, and it will open up on the top. You can see administrator here. The other way would be if you go to right click and click on search and type CMD, and then right click on this and run as administrator. It will do the same process, but it kind of they made it really simple to just come here and do it from here. So now you can run the command prompt from administrator. But the other way is, like, you know, sometimes I tell people that why would you go here, right click, and then click here to just type, let's say for example, IPconfig, because this is something we use a lot. Like, okay, somebody call you, you're working on a computer, can you tell me the IP address of this machine quickly, and you'll just go and do that, and then you'll give the IP address to someone who is troubleshooting or whatever for whatever need they need. The other way you would do it, the simple way, would be to the command shell is right here. So you can, if it's not here, you can pin it, but it does come like that. So you can type IPconfig and it will give you the same stuff. So made it really easy for us to work on this stuff, because one click and you're boom in there. You can do all the basic stuff that you will do in command prompt. You can do it from here. Like, say for example, check disk, and you can run a whole check disk and do everything from the command shell, PowerShell. So what's gonna happen? Right click and you can see other stuff here. For example, the one that I really like is search. In Windows 7, I really love the search bar. When you click on it, and you can type it here, but it's just one right click. You right click on it and then you can type the search command here. So the search is kind of a little bit different here. So if you type, for example, I want to troubleshoot, go to troubleshooting, and it will give you different anything related to troubleshooting. It will, just like Windows 7 had it. So when you click on troubleshooting, you get different. This is the same Windows for like Windows 7. Basically, it depends on what kind of problems you guys are going to be working on. If it's related to network and internet, you would click here. If it's something system and security, you would click here. Other way for a network is to troubleshoot is this little icon right here. Right click on it and troubleshoot. Windows 7 also have this feature. So this is how you do this. You right click on this, everything should be in there. You can do other thing is that if you come over here, just hover your mouse on the right corner, you would be able to get into the other stuff like here. So if you could click on settings, the same feature of search is right here too. So if I click on settings here, it will take me to all PC control panel, personalization, PC info. So if I click on PC info, it's going to take me to the same stuff that I can get it from the system here. So if I right click and click on this, it will take me to the same area. So like I said, a lot of stuff, they made it pretty easy on just with right click. If you get used to this, a lot of the things your job for a help desk or technicians, you can do it from here. Other stuff, for example, you're working with the user, they will be in this windows mostly, and if you click on IE, it's a little bit different IE than the one that you're going to be working on. So for example, if I click this, and this is IE 11 by the way, and I like it this way. I'll always keep the menu bar for me to work on. Like if sometimes you go there, you don't see it, right click on it, you see menu bar, and then you can go to your same normal features, or in the Internet Explorer, Internet options, and then you can do the same stuff over here. Now if I click this, go back to this view, say it cannot be opened, built in a account. Okay, so you gotta be signed into another user to use this, which I don't want to do it right now. But most of the user will be in this part. You might want to get just a little bit, give some idea, like how this is used and stuff like that. What we can do right now is let's just add another user to the server. Let's say for example somebody just come into your company and you just want to make an account with and want to see how it's going to work for Windows 8.1. You just want to like just check it out. So let's go ahead and go to the server. I'm just going to go ahead and open Active Directory, and we're going to add a new user to our system. So for example, Dan just joined the company. We want to add him to the system. You went there, your administrator gave you a new computer at 8.1 Pro. This is your first time you're setting up a user in 2012. And we do have a video, by the way, for Active Directory. So if you know this stuff, you want to know about this stuff, go to the Active Directory section. I have a full tutorial on that too, step by step, and you will learn about this stuff that I'm doing right now also. So we just added Decon to our system, and we're gonna go back to the Windows 8.1, and we're gonna log this administrator off, and we're gonna log in as other user. So we'll just add Decon. This is how you guys are going to add on Windows 7. There's a little bit different front view than a Windows 7 though, so you guys can see. So we're setting up. This is how it's going to look for the first time. You're going to get this high. We're setting things for you and stuff like that. So that's it. Decon is set up on this system, and now we can go back to the same area. So this is where Decon is going to be using. Dan, he's going to come over here, click on Internet Explorer. Now he can use that at Internet Explorer. It's a different way, it's a different look than just a normal Explorer though. So sometimes some application might not work with this view. So you might want to tell your user to log in with the different from a desktop side of Internet Explorer. If something is wrong over here, maybe there's something not working, application is old, you can use a compatibility views and other stuff, but I always prefer using it the other way. So you can click on this little arrow right here. So if you right click, this tells you that this is where you gotta go to the corner area. Like basically you just have to go all the way down, hover right here, just put your mouse right here and you can see it right here. So I can click on this, I'll go back to my front view, I can go to desktop from here, and then I can do my setup stuff. But if I want to go back, I can go back this way to the IE, and I can also do settings from here. Page tools will tell me with the desktop, with the downloads and some basic stuff. I can go back to desktop from here again, and it opens the IE in a desktop mode. Okay, this is the one that is coming from here. So this video was just to show you guys the basic stuff. Even from a user side, you can right click on, do the same thing. There's really nothing different than Windows 2012. Windows 2012 have more features than Windows 8. So thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you guys learned something new. Well, this was just basic, so I will be making another full videos. Thank you, bye.